Alright guys, so today's wig we are using is from Recool Hair, and it looks just like this. This is the box that it comes in, and this is the information this way. I don't know, it just looks backward on camera. I also got a little package as well. I love getting these because you can store your wigs in them. Yeah, so like I said, this is the packaging that you can store your wig in. It does come with a hair care guide, so you may have instructions to take care of your wig. And it also has other hair information and their website details on this little pamphlet here as well. So it comes with a cute mirror that everyone could use. I love getting mirrors. So this is the hair, and it comes in the packaging just like this. Alright, so this is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. It does come protected in the hair net. And as you guys can see, the hair is nice and soft. Oh my gosh, y'all, this hair is so freaking soft. I believe it has layers in it. It looks so pretty. The ends, look at the ends, y'all. And sorry if I have wet stains under my arm. My arms be sweating. And I'm not nervous. They just be sweating. So yeah, this is the construction of it. You do get the 3 combs around the middle of the wig. You do get a comb in the back as well. You got the drawstrings as well. So that, like I said, running my hands through this is very soft, it's very silky. I'm not getting any tangles whatsoever. It's so freaking pretty. I'm excited. And it doesn't have a smell to it either. It's looking like very soft, very pretty. You do have a guideline for baby hairs if you guys are interested in creating them. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and we're gonna get started. Alright guys, so we're gonna get right into this video. So I'm actually cutting off the excess lace around my ear because it's too much. If you have a big head, I have a big head, so you're not alone. Big head gang in this place. So yeah, this is big head friendly, just letting you know. I'm going ahead and parting into the wig just so you guys can get a feel of what you're working with when you do part. And sis, this is giving me scalp vibes all day, every day. And I actually did go in and add some pressed powder to the lace as well, just to be a little bit more extra. You want to go ahead and secure your lace from ear to ear. This style requires it to be laid, and when I say laid, I mean laid to the god. So you do have to secure your wig for this certain hairstyle. Now I do have plenty of videos on how to do that, so I didn't go in depth on how to do it. I just show you guys that I use the spray. I dry it using my blow dryer on a cool heating setting. I press it and then dry it again, and then boom. After my whole head is secure, I'm going to lay it down with the scarf for about 10 to 15 minutes. And as you guys can see, this lace is laid. Now this unit is not pre-plucked, so I would advise you to pre-pluck it if you're going to attempt this style. Now I'm just exposing myself here because I never did a style like this. I had to take one for the team. So me trying to figure out, you know, how the bang was gonna look and what type of parting I should create, it took some time. I ain't even gonna lie, it took some time because at first I had too much hair and it was too thick, and then I was like, no, that is too thick, girl. You're gonna be looking mess. So I ended up going in with this smaller parting and creating like rounded edges, so it's just like a wide C, as in the letter C, for the, you know, I guess for the guidance and the reference if you guys want to try this. But you do have to be mindful, we all have different head sizes, so you're gonna have to do what fits your face, and you can basically do it how thick or small or how wide, long you want. Just create it to your liking. Okay, so I just took some hair foam wrapping lotion to place down and lay down the flyaways because they were getting in the way. So that's a little trick to keep the flyaways down. Just use hair foam wrap lotion. Now I'm just sectioning off this and I'm preparing to do my baby hairs. Now this step is not necessary. You don't need to do this. You actually can just wear the lace laid, but you will have to pluck it so it will look a little bit more natural, because as you guys can see, when I create the baby hairs without going in and plucking it, it doesn't really look that realistic. So this unit definitely has to be plucked. Now let me say one thing about this unit. I can tell good hair straight out of the package when you take it out. And when I'm telling you guys, this hair is so butter, silky, smooth, soft, I already know that this hair was going to be bomb just coming out the package because of the texture of it. Like, I just love hair textures like this. And the fact that the ends are definitely cut, oh my gosh, it just makes life so much easier. But I just love how the ends are definitely it's like it's actually layered in a way. So it's very convenient, it's very easy. But as you guys can see, I created my baby hairs, but I did have to go in and pluck the unit because I wanted to wear this style up. So yeah, I put the scarf back on for another 10 minutes just to allow that bang to lay a little bit more flat so I can go in and get ready to cut it. You don't want to cut your hair with any type of scissors, no kitchen scissors, no school scissors, none of your kids scissors. You need some sheared. So I actually went and purchased some from Sally's, and I think I paid $7 for these, and I think they're about 6.5 inches, but they work great. They work so great. But this is my first time trying to create the fringe bang, and I felt like what worked best for me was to cut at an angle. Now, you never want to start too close to your eyebrows and start working down. You want to start from probably your lip area and work down at an angle, just so you have enough guidance, just in case you make some errors, you have room to fix it and clean it up. If you start too high up, sis, you're just gonna be out here looking all types of shit crazy. But you have to take your time, and this actually took a long time for me to do. Like I said, never did a bang before in my life. I did a straight blunt bang, but they always ended up horrible. So this was my first time. I actually just took my time, worked slow, cut it at an angle, and I just kept taking it up higher and higher until I got a little bit past my eyelid. So like I said, do not start from your eyelid and work down because you don't know how it's going to turn out. So just start low from your lip, cut at an angle, and then keep bringing it up higher and higher. Hopefully that makes sense. Like, this was my first attempt. I don't feel like they looked that bad. I know it could be room for improvement in the future, but this is what it's getting. And then I do this chopping method when you're cutting up. I feel like it thins out the hair a lot too, and it gives it a more choppy, like messier look. I didn't want like blunt bangs. I definitely wanted a look that framed my face. So yeah, take your time, sis. And if you mess up, it's okay. That's why you started from the longest lip. That's why you started from your lip, you know. And if you don't feel comfortable starting from your lip, start from your chin, you know. Start from the longest piece possible. So I took some Chi and Moroccan argan oil and placed it on the bang, and we're gonna press her out. We're just gonna bump the ends a little bit, and I do stick the scarf back on there just to lay her a little bit flat, and I comb it out. Like I said, I feel like I did an awesome job just for this to be my first attempt. If y'all seen my work back in the day, it was a mess. Like, I couldn't even do stuff like this back in the day. It just wasn't work. Plus, I was always rushing. I was never taking my time, but I think it came out pretty decent. Let me know what you guys think. So now I'm just doing a half up and half down style. I'm just going to try to create a ninja bun. So this type of wig is not a 360 lace, so it's not lace in the middle where you can like make a part in the back and do it. You just take a big section of hair and, you know, put it up into a bun. Now, the way the wig is created, you won't see any tracks or nothing because just the way the hair is layered is still nice and presentable in the back as well. So just safe to do that with this wig. Like I said, I never did the ninja bun before either. I think I did or tried to do it one day on different texture hair, but y'all see that? Y'all see once I plucked it, it looks so natural on that side. But anyway, my camera died and the sun went down, so I actually have to use indoor lighting now. But I'm just gonna put her up in a tie, and I'm just gonna twist her and then bobby pin her set. This is actually all to the video. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section below, yay or nay. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, so of course I expect me to do better the next time, and I have room for improvement because I do feel like it is a little lopsided, but it's just gonna have to do. I wish I had some chopsticks that would set off the look, but I hope you guys enjoyed. All the information in regards to this hair is listed down below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.